Anna Karina, 1878, a tragic love story that delves into the consequences of passion, infidelity, and societal expectation. Tolstoy writes to influential story E.G. the death of Ivan Ilyich and essays on religion, non-violence, and ethics. Later in life, he adopted a radical form of Christian anarchism, rejecting institutionalized religions and while his ideas for non-violent resistance influenced figures like Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. Would you like to explore a specific aspect of Tolstoy's work philosophy? Tolstoy life. Leo Tolstoy, born on September 9, 1828 in Yasnaya Polyana, Russian, lived a fascinating life marked by intellectual evolution, moral questioning, and creative genius. Here and our views of early life. Early life, birth, and family. Tolstoy was born into a noble family. His parents died when he was young, leaving him and his siblings to be raised by relatives. Education. He attended Kazan University but left without completing a degree, finding academic life uninspiring. His early years were characterized by gambling, drinking, and reckless behavior. Military and early writing. Military service. Tolstoy joined the Russian army into the 1815, serving in the Caucasus and during the Crimean War. His military experiences deeply influenced his world view and inspired some of his early work. Literary beginning. He published Childhood 1852, the first of his autobiographical trilogy, which gained him literary recognition. Literary fame. Tolstoy became renowned for his masterful novel War and Peace 1869 and exploration of history, philosophy, and human existence. Anna Karina 1980-78, a critic of Russian society, marriage, and love. This work cemented his place as one of the greatest novelists of all time. Personal life. Marriage. In 1862 he married Sofia and Revina Behrez, with whom he had 13 children. Their relationship was marked by both love and tension, especially later in life when Tolstoy's spiritual belief conflicted with Sophia's practicality. Spiritual and philosophical transformation. Midlife crisis. In the late 1870, Tolstoy experienced an moral and spiritual crisis and leading him to question the purpose of life and teaching of the church. New belief. He rejected organized religion, wealth, and the aristocracy, adopting a form of Christian anarchism and pacifism. Advocated for simplicity, vegetarianism, and non-violence, which greatly influenced and figure like Gandhi. Is communication the Russian Orthodox and Church excommunicated him in 91 for his unorthodox views. Later year and death conflict. His later years were fraught with family dispute, particularly over his desire to give away him wealth. Final days at age 82, Tolstoy left home seeking solace. He fell ill and died on November 20, 1910 at a remote railway station, Ostapovo. Tolstoy's legacy as the think and write endure with his work continues to inspire discussion on morality, faith, and the human condition. Tolstoy's exploration of the meaning of life was central theme his later work and personal philosophy, although he may not have definitely solved the question, he grappled with it profoundly, especially during a spiritual and crisis in his middle age. His reflection offer timeless insight into life purpose. Tolstoy crisis and search for meaning. By the late 18, after achieving literary fame and family success, Tolstoy experienced an existential crisis despite his outward achievement. He felt a deep inner emptiness. He asked, "Was is the meaning of my life, which is certain to end in death?" This is crisis is detailed in his autobiographical work, A Confusion, 1882, where he describes his despair and search for answer through science, which provided explanation of life but not meaning. Religion, organized faith initially and seemed inadequate, but it eventually offered him a path. Philosophy, intellectual reasoning, and fell to the satisfy his spiritual hunger. Tolstoy's resolution. Tolstoy eventually found meaning in a combination of faith, simplicity, and an universal love. His key conclusion about the meaning of life include faith in a higher power. Tolstoy concluded and that life meaning could not be fully understood through reason alone, but through faith. He believed in a God that transcends institute religion, emphasizing a personal relationship with the